What is this called? To make up 300 ml of malt extract agar. I'm just gonna grab 500 ml bottles. Actually, I want the ones that already have the lips. Out 300 ml water. This is a 500 ml. What is this called? Measuring cylinder or graduated cylinder. So let us do that. All right. Listen to the water go. Ooh. Should be at eye level. But look. It's hard to see, but I'm sitting right on the meniscus. Perfect. And malt extract agar, nature it's an acidic, so it tends to be less than 7 on the pH scale. Remember, 7 neutral, above 7 alkaline or basic. So it's acidic, and it will support the growth of most molds, yeast, and it will prevent the growth of some bacteria, because bacteria, like if you're supposed to sample a field, if you do a soil sample of a field and in your soil sample say you have more fungus than bacteria, that's an indication that that particular field is acidic. And if in another field you tend to have more bacteria than fungus, that's an indicator that your field tends to be more neutralish, basic. So yeah, pH is a driver of microorganisms, how they grow and things like that. So fungus tend to prefer more of an acidic medium, whereas bacteria tend to prefer more of a neutral, basic. This media calls for malt extract. Let me just double check. Peptone and agar. So let's go over there and set that with my peptone. It calls for 1.5 grams. Oh, I think I'm the first person using it. Ooh. It smells very yeasty. I don't know if you know what yeast smells like. Or maybe more brothy, like beefy. Yeah. All right. Science is ASMR. Almost there. Perfect. So the 1.5 grams. All right. Let's just shake to dissolve. Dissolve. It calls for 4.5 grams of agar. Let me sanitize my hand. Too much. So pretty. Reminds me of potato dextrose. extra 9 grams. Nine grams. Ooh, this smells so good. 9. Oh, the malt extract smells so good. The lab is getting busy. Oops, too much. This is what I have to do. It says 9 grams, and I'm over 9 grams. So I'm just going to scoop the extra out. I know. So 9 grams, and then I'll add so 9 grams. Oh, this new laptop battery is oof. All right. Then I'll add it to it, shake it. Uh-oh, some spill. It's okay. And this is your malt extract before it goes into the autoclave. This is the malt extract Agar. It has a peptone. It's a different color. Again, the Agar has precipitated out of solution. So I'll loosen this a bit. I'll give it a minute so it doesn't like over boil. I'll apply the autoclave tape. We do that before we sterilize it. Oh my god, this is tricky. Okay, there we go. I have to put M-E-A, my initials, and today's date. Shake it to resuspend it. Oh, it's hot because it was in the microwave. Apply the autoclave tape, and we are ready to go. I'll change it. It's currently on a waste cycle. I want it on a liquid cycle. Select cycle, liquid 20. Okay, enter. Oh, it hasn't changed. Here we go again. Enter. Enter. Okay. There we go. Close door. While it's closing the door, I'll fill out the autoclave logbook. I'll just put the date, my initial, and things like that. And it's ready to start. So I have a minute, 3 minutes. Because it takes a lot of time to label, I'm going to try and decide on a color code for the different Agar that I'll be using, and then that should make it easier. And this is the antibiotic that I'm using, Tetracycline. It's insoluble in water, but yeah, this will prevent bacteria from growing. So I'm going to do yellow for Tetracycline. So I'll do this for the MEA. These are the Agar plates. They are square, 100 by 100 times 20 millimeters. I'll pour them into, there are 4 in each packs. The malt extract Agar, once it has sterilized, it's turned to black, the lines on the autoclave tape. It's hot, but once it has cooled to between 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, I'll pour it into agar plates and then let those solidify, and then we'll have our solid agar. So the 300 ml, oh, the initial is meat, malt extract agar amended with tetracycline. I got 8 square plates. They're 100 times 100 times 20 millimeters. So it has this darkish yellowish color. And then these, I wrap them with paraffin, and then I put them in the bag. I'm going to put the date on it, and I'll store it at 4 degrees Celsius. I didn't need 3 vials of tetracycline, so I'm going to put back them. Oh. So I liquid and make up a stock solution. I liquid them into 500 microliter tubes, so it's easy to use.